All right, some of you saw the emergency repair I had to take care of yesterday. As you can see down in the hole, we're good there. The pipe that you see with that stub on it, right at the base where it tied into that 1.25 inch trunk line, was just pushed around by the roots of these eucalyptus for so many years it finally just gave up. So I noticed the wet mushy patch around the spigot and had to investigate. That's when I found that I was going to have to make that repair. So I did. In the process, I came up from that 1.25 inch main trunk line that comes out to this area and put a shut-off valve on it. Today I finished this up, got my water spigot back up, got it all together. I put a threaded end on there, so what's going to happen is I'm going to research where that goes, and if it comes out to be something that I'm going to need for the pasture or for whatever, then I'll tie back in. If not, I'll just leave it capped off. But for now, I had to get that hose bib up because that water trough right there is on a float valve for the horses. So I want to be able to keep that stock tank full without having to babysit it. So in the meantime, this will do that. Like I said, now that I've got that shutoff valve right there, if I do decide to go back on this, or if I just decide to put something out here, I plan to garden this area out here. All of this is a 1/2 acre that I have fenced in for the dogs right now, but it's perfectly capable of growing food as well. So for whatever I need to do, I've got a shutoff valve that takes me off of that main, and I can stub in here and do whatever I need to do for water going forward. Also, an interesting thing is down in that hole that runs with this water line, a nice big fat electrical cable. I'm going to guess by the size of that cable that it's at least a 6 gauge 3-wire setup inside that cable, maybe heavier, which leads me to believe that for whatever reason there might be something that used to be out there that supplied water and lights, maybe to that round pin arena setup that is out in that pasture there. But once I find out, you'll find out. So for now, we're just going to go with that.